Welcome to Space Internet Solutions. Today we're at an industrial unit in Stockport. This company has been suffering with BT copper lines. Nobody's upgrading nothing as normal. So decided to go down this Starlink route. Bit of an awkward one here, there's no line of sight because of that tree. So the only place on this building, even though it's quite big and long, it's just on that corner. I'm quite happy with that. It's a business one. Fed into the office there. Speed's office, coming in about 280. Need installation in Stockport, commercial or residential, feel free to get in touch.